All right, today's mission. I've been having the D2 on my mind again. So in this little spot that I'm in, sometimes it gets way too hot over here and it just totally unmotivates me to even work on this project. But now it's a pretty cool day. The sun is out, but kind of cloudy. I think it's perfect. So my mission for this now, at first I had to get the engine unfrozen. And I seemed to get the engine unfrozen. I didn't think that was going to happen, but it did. I thought I was going to have to pull the engine at first just to get it, pull all the pistons and everything just to get it unfrozen. But I got it unfrozen without having to pull the engine. However, one thing I noticed in the process was the main clutch is stuck. There's a lot of rust and stuff in there. I don't know how that happened, but so now it comes down to I got to pull the engine anyway. So my mission for doing that is, first I need to get that pony motor out of there, and I need to get these cylinders and that whole assembly off. And then I need to take that fender carriage thing off of there. I need to get that off so I can get to the engine bolts a lot easier. So that's where I'm at with that. And hopefully I'll just be able to prop it and move this engine forward and work on that clutch plate and get that all cleaned up and ready to put back together. But I won't know until I get in there. But the whole key is getting in there, and that's where I'm at now.